I'm Fon Davis with the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to another installment of this epic course series. Today we're going to show you how we put together this incredible animatronic octopus. We're going to go through all the 3D prints that we did here at Fonco Studios, the ones that Stratasys did for us in this beautiful color, flexible material, the different systems that are required to install into this octopus to get it to animate and do everything that we need it to do, and techniques on how to assemble all the different materials together. We're also going to go through all the different elements that have to work together to create the perfect shot to hand off to the CG department, including using high-speed photography, the lighting that is required, all the different lighting effects required to make this a really action-oriented shot, all the tracking markers, the right light balance on the green screen, all of the things that it takes to deliver the perfect shot so they can create an epic moment.